What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Are you ready to upgrade your ditch light mounts? Let me show you this one. They are a game changer for the ditch lights. This one here are the badass mounts. You can see that I have two 7-inch lights on my ditch lights. You can see this one, it look crooked. No, this one here have the badass mount that you only have to pull the pin and you can swivel the light all the way around up to 360 degrees. Let me put it this one straight. The good thing about those mounts that you can use in any application, you can use these ones in a ditch light, and you can use the same mount. You can add it to your roof rack, to your bed rack, and you can move those lights if you're helping another vehicle to recovery, or in our case when we use it in our ditch lights, we turn this one a little bit more farther to outside of the truck because we want to point the light straight to the ditch. And sometimes we need to do going forward to have more lights to blast that thousands of lumens here on the in our trails. Yes, these ones here are the 7-inch lights from SC Pro, and we have SC LED lights, and this one here are the 9 inches, the SC9 Pro, and that ones are the SC7 Pro. You can see here. Yes, we do have 6 lights on the top, and we have two 7-inch lights on the ditch side. Yes, we do have those. And also this ones here, the SC lights, they come with an amber cover that you can toast this one and the top of that one, and they also have this cover. Some states are not legal to have the light exposure. You can cover this one, or sometimes we use the cover when we are driving in a highway and we would like to avoid all those bugs like that one's over there that I forgot to put the cover. Now when I'm going to use the lights are dirty, and when the lights are dirty, all that reflection are gonna minimize a little bit the power of the light going to the trail. That's why you can use this cover when you are in a highway. When you are ready to go in the trails, you remove the cover, and then you can have the white, or you can have the famous orange. This one is a true orange. It's not yellow, it's not grayish, it's not any type of different type of the coloration. No, these ones are true amber. Let me turn on the lights. I have here my halo lights. I can turn off this one, and I can turn on the lights. This one is the aux beam light controller that I use to operate the lights. And these ones, you can see how bright they are. This one also have a different options in the lights. Let me see if you can see it here. Whew. And they're very, very bright. This one here you can have if you are using in a highway, or if you're gonna use it in a driving mode, you can dim these lights and come in two options. You have the off-road, it's gonna be the high output mode, and they have another setup on the system that you can have two switch for the lights, and you can dim that power of the light. That way you're not gonna bother nobody. Yes, these ones here are the SC LED lights, and these ones are the SC7 Pro. And let me talk about a little bit more about the mounts. Let me turn off the light. Okay, we're good there. Let me turn off the light on the controller. If you are new on the channel, we always do review videos of our accessories, and we show what type of accessories we have in our truck. This one is a 2025 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. The setup is completely for overland expeditions. We can go off the grid for days, for months. We have solar panel from Radar, we have battery from Expion, we have fridge, we have all the accessories that you can see more on the channel. Let me keep talking about the ditch lights. Okay, this one here, these ones are a little bit rusty because these ones are metal, and I have with these mounts probably like a 2 or 3 years with those mounts. I'm going to the saltwater here in Florida, going everywhere. I'm not really taking good care of those mounts. Sometimes I hit it with branches, and those are like that, but you can just take good care of your mounts. Sorry about that. But yes, these ones are the badass mounts. I don't know if you can see it right there on the video. Okay, how this one works, you pull this one here, this pin here, pull up, and then you can swivel the light, and you can go all the way around to 360. And I also have a couple holes on the mount that is gonna click, and I'm gonna keep the position of the light while the designated point or the designated area that you would like to point. Let me like here, you only have to find the click, and that's it. You're good to go. Also, it's very universal. They only have one hole on the middle for a bulb, and you're good to go. You can install, you see, you find the click, you can install any type of light, and this one any size. You can use the plate for double light if you would like it, and in this case we have the 7 inches from SC LED light over the badass mounts. If you have any question, feel free to leave me a comment on this video below, and I will share with you any information about the lights, the ditch lights, or even of the truck. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for another video. We will do more videos camping and in our other social media platform, but in this case now I'm gonna be talking and like a point in every single accessory that you guys would like to know, or you guys always ask me about those accessories. Now I'm gonna be doing videos talking about those. Be here, be calm, I can show you, and you can see right here on the big screen how everything looked like. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.